While they are playing?
I see Supercoppa in internet and also against Galatasaray derby in internet because I was in Italy, but I follow team at the beginning.
How did you find the team? How do you think the team is?
I think it's very good team. I'm proud to be here and can play with Kim Young, and also I'm very happy. I'm also sad because I started the season with this injury, but I can do nothing. It's sport.
And what do you think for Champions League?
Champions League, I think is always a difficult tournament, but there are some teams that can do very good championship. Also Turkish team like Vakifbank and Eksaşehirspor can play very good volleyball, but also Fenerbahce is one of team that everybody wants to beat, so will be good.
Okay, you said Eczacı and Vakıfbank, and how do you think about Turkish league? It's also a strong league.
Yes, I see Turkish league always from Italy, and there are always a strong team that play for Champions League and play for Turkish Cup. But I'm very happy to be here because I think it's one of the best league at the moment, and so I can see better when I will start to play.